Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Toyota Supra. So if you guys remember, we unboxed this Toyota Supra by Major at I think a long time back, which you can see it here, this yellow color. This was really hard to get at the time, but I was able to get my hands on it. I bought only one. Okay, let's unbox this and see how it looks. So if you guys are wondering what brand this is RMZ City, and this is imported by Reliance in India. And if you are looking at this specific box, which means this one is licensed, you can go ahead and buy it. So this one I actually bought for 8.99. So I bought this from a different shop actually. So let's unbox. So as you guys know, these cars are pullback cars. So okay, I need to unscrew this now. So just give me a second, I'll unscrew and get back to you guys. So here it is guys, I just unscrewed it. Okay, let's put this box aside. Okay, so here is the car. So the initial impressions of this car, this looks really nice. So the paint job is actually nice. So see, the rest of the body is actually gloss painted, and this part in the hood, which is hood here is the matte painted. The logo placement is really nice. It has acrylics for the headlights, which is really awesome. It has grille details to it, which does look really nice. And so when it comes to the chassis, it doesn't have so much detail into it, but it does look really nice. So again, this is by RMZ City, you can see it here. So these are actually licensed models, if you guys are wondering. So the rear, the tail lights are actually, it's acrylic, it's not painted or anything. So this one is the GR version. This is a Toyota GR Supra. So this is a pullback car, and it has rear view mirrors here, but it doesn't have any reflective painting or anything here. So for 800 rupees we can't expect much. It has openable doors. There's some nice interior detailing to it, as you can see here. So the entire body is made of metal, and the interior and chassis is made of plastic. The door really snaps nice, as you can see here. And the tires are made of rubber. The rims does look really nice. So it does have a lot of dust, as I already mentioned in my previous video. These boxes are actually having some kind of opening on the side, so the dust is entering inside, and it is getting collected everywhere. So I hope they can just fix it by just closing that part. So this is a pullback car. Let's pull back and see how it goes. It does roll really nice. Let's try it here. It does roll really nice. So if you want to buy this for your kids, go ahead and buy it. This looks really awesome. It does cost around around 8.99. But if you are buying it from some places, you can get it for 8.10, around that range. So I'm not sure about other locations, So I'm actually from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So here we have some shops which sells these cars for like 90 rupees less. So this one I actually bought it for MRP. The previous one, that I think the Chevy Camaro SS, so that I bought it for 8.10. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.